फ्रेंड्स, मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। आज हम एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे जो कि आने वाली सीएचओ एग्जाम्स एंड अदर नर्सिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द रेडियस इज लोकेटेड, राइट आंसर इज ऑन द थंब साइड ऑफ द लोअर आर्म। नेक्स्ट, एंटीबॉडीज आर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय, राइट आंसर इज बी, lymphocytes. Next, normally respiratory center is stimulated by, right answer is C, carbon dioxide. Next, the type of muscles found in the visceral organs and blood vessels is called, right answer is D, involuntary. Next, in human body unoxygenated blood is purified by, right answer is B, lungs. Next, all microorganisms, right answer is C, are protoplasm consisting of protein. Next, which of the following bone is the largest bone in human body? Right answer is C, femur. Femur bone is largest bone in human body. Next, factors influencing inhibition of growth and destruction of microorganisms include, right answer is D, A, B and C means friends इसमें हमें ये बताना है कि organisms inhibition of growth and destruction means temperature and contact, B, absence of organic material and C, time. So next answer is D, A, B and C. Which part of body is affected in typhoid? Right answer is B, intestine. Next, vitamin essential for coagulation of blood is, right answer is C, K. coagulation के लिए मेन विटामिन कौन सा होता है? B, विटामिन K. right answer is C. Next, in the complex sense of vision, the image of an object focused on the retina and is transmitted to the brain. Right answer is B, optic nerve. Next, volume remaining in the lungs and airways following a maximum expiratory effort is known as, right answer is A, residual volume. Next, if pericardial fluid exceed above 50 ml, this is known as pericardial transudate. Next, thyroid glands is present in, right answer is D, neck. Next, many children with tonsillitis develop ear infection. This is because the ear and throat are connected by the, right answer is B, right answer is B, eustachian tube. Next, smooth muscles tissue is located in, right answer is C, intestines. Next, the respiratory center is located in the part of brain, right answer is A, medulla. Next, powerhouse of the cell is, राइट आंसर इज माइट्रोकॉन्ड्रिया. ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. नेक्स्ट, वाटर इज मोस्टली एब्जॉर्ब्ड फ्रॉम द डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट इन द, राइट आंसर इज डी, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. नेक्स्ट, द ब्रेकडाउन प्रोड्यूस ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन इज, राइट आंसर इज बी, द ब्रेकडाउन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन इज, राइट आंसर इज बी, बाइल पिगमेंट्स. नेक्स्ट, थायराइड इज इफेक्टिव ओनली इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ, राइट आंसर इज बी, आयोडीन. नेक्स्ट, लार्जेस्ट internal organ of human body is, right answer is A, liver. Next, the normal pH for body fluid is, right answer is B, 7.35 to 7.45. Next, prothrombin is produced by, right answer is B, liver. Next, number of pair of spinal nerve that exit from the spinal cord are, right answer is A, 31. Next, total number of bones in the body, right answer is A, 206 bone. Next, a compound within a cell nucleus that consists of a protein bound to a nucleic acid is called, right answer is A, nucleoprotein. Next, the fibrous tissue connecting bone to bone is called, right answer is D, ligament. Next, the bone that hold the antigen to the antibody combining site are, right answer is D, none of the above. Next, heart regulating center is located in, heat regulating center is located in, right answer is B, hypothalamus. Next, meningitis is in, right answer is B, inflammation of the membranes that surround the brain and spinal cord. Next, corticosteroid is naturally produced by, right answer is D, adrenal glands. Next, aspirate aminotransferase enzyme, right answer is C, both A and B. Next, gallbladder is located in, right answer is D, below the liver. Next, the smallest bone of human body is, right answer is stapes. Next, measure of the overall strength of binding of an antigen with many antigenic determinant and multivalent antibodies is called? Right answer is A. Avidity. Next, the function of fallopian tube is? Right answer is C. Occurrence of fertilization. Next, the autonomic nervous system regulates visceral activities such as? Right answer is D. All of above. Next, normal respiration of healthy person is? Right answer is C. 15 to 20 per minute. Next, the Vidal test is positive of TO antigen titer is more than? Right answer is A. 1:70 in an active infection. Next, 41. Kidney is situated? Next, right answer is in abdominal cavity. Next, in normal person the percentage of glycosylated hemoglobin is? Right answer is A. 6. Next, total number of chambers in human heart is? Right answer is A. 4. Next, which part of the brain control and integrates activities of the autonomic nervous system? Right answer is A. Hypothalamus. Next, the only artery which supplies deoxygenated blood? Right answer is A. Pulmonary artery. Next, the difference between the apical and radial pulse rate is called? Right answer is C. Pulse deficit. Next, fault in male that may cause infertility include? Right answer is D. All of above. Next, inability of the liver to metabolize and remove bilirubin from the biliary system is? Right answer is B. Obstructive jaundice. Next, the structural and functional unit. Next, the structural and functional unit of kidney is called? Right answer is D. Nephron. Next, the bone that protect the brain is called as? Right answer is B. Cranium. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.